So this is the new mill bell tower where the 6 bells are. Wow. Get these boys. Just mind to get all these big bells in. If I step over there, just across there, I can see it a bit high up. This is a new mill bell tower, Christchurch. So, are the Loughborough's bells, are there?
They are tailors of Loughborough.
Right, I just wanted to check the lighting. Just make sure I don't want to do it with this, because it's a very special camera. And then... Shame you can't get round the other side to see the others. Or I can get to that one. Don't worry, I'm always careful. Don't worry. I could just poke through the hole in the gap. And I can look down. And that's a wooden stays that, so when the bells go round, that will tick round with it. If I hold it higher up, I'll probably get them in because I've got more of a chance. So we've got big bill in the middle, to the side. And that's where the sound comes out of those windows. And we've got a beam up there. At crosses we've got a beam. And then there's another ladder. How do you get up to that ladder then?
You've got to walk across the frame.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Ah! I just wanted to see if it... Does this box move?
No, I don't know.
I'll just see if I can go a little bit higher up and look at the big one in the middle. I want to try and get it as good as I can. So they're closed in bells, aren't they, these? They're not like you can walk around them like some of the other churches.
Yeah.
So it's a bit like Bradford Cathedral, because Bradford Cathedral you come out there and you walk where you stood and then they're very closed in.
They fill the space.
So if we just push it.
Don't worry about this, this is just...
No, alright man. I'm just saying I need to do it very well and then take some photographs and then get them back to you. Back to your place. That one's a bit dark on there. It's quite high up here, isn't it? You've got some good sound coming up for here. So there's some other bells down there. So when I lift my hand up, I can zoom right down on them. You should be so proud of me doing all this hard work. You should be so lucky you've got me. Just stand and I can see them others because I can't see them. It's a bit hard. Ah, there he is, I can see that boy. So that takes you to the top of the roof. We have to climb on there, but I haven't got the strength for my feet, so I'm just going to do it nice. Still, it's only 7:15 on my watch, you'll be alright. Just got to make sure I get it nice and neat. So some of them you can go up and watch, and some of them you can't. It all depends on rules and regulations, you know, isn't it?
We don't here.
No, I understand. I just like to see them before, because one day there won't be any bell ringing, because a lot of people are stopping bell ringing. But my friend has started to get a new team at Mythenroyd, and she's moved up here now into Mythenroyd, and she comes to Halifax on a Friday night. She's a really nice person.
Good.
Nice girl. So, let's sure I can get into there. Oh, be careful with that. Not doing anything. So we'll go right up to the top and then look down on them. So what's all these wires for up here?
Oh, that's just the tenor equipment.
Alright, because our church doesn't have that at
No.
Halifax. It hasn't got one of them. Right, so we've got that side to let the sound out. So that is a wooden beam across there. Does that bulb work?
That's what the minute now.
Oh right, let's see.
That one a bit far.
Ah, let's get them again. Make sure we do it properly, because I want people to reward me. Oh, there's a crack in that wheel over there.
Well, we'll be cracking a few of them. It's nothing to worry about.
Oh, that needs redoing. Right. So these are the new Mill Christchurch bells, and they're very famous, and they have a nice ring of tone to them. So I'm going to take a picture now.